Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Easy English. I am Grace, your guide on this language journey.
And I am Zizi. I'm here to learn, to make mistakes, and to have fun with all of you.
That's right, Zizi. And today we are starting a very exciting mission. It's called The Traveler's Diary.
A diary? Like a book?
Exactly. We will travel together through the airport using only simple English. We know that many of you feel nervous when you see those big airport signs and fast-talking officers.
Oh, Grace, every time I hear, passport, please, my heart goes boom, 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 and I forget all my English.
Don't worry, Zizi. You don't need to be perfect. Today, we will master 4 real-life situations so you can travel with confidence. Preparation, why you need 3 hours and how to find your counter. The bags, handling overweight suitcases at the check-in desk. Security check, understanding those beeps and the 100 milliliter rule. And how to ask for help with your seat and passing the passport control.
Okay, 4 steps to become a world traveler. I'm ready.
And for our listeners, remember, we will have shadowing zones throughout the show. When you hear me say a phrase, please repeat it out loud with Zizi.
Small steps, big results.
Let's start. Zizi, why are you still at home? Your taxi is waiting.
Grace, my taxi is here. Let's go.
Wait, Zizi, check your watch. What time is your flight?
It's at 10 a.m. It is 9 a.m. now. Plenty of time, right?
No, Zizi, that is a big mistake. For international flights, you should arrive at the airport 3 hours before your flight.
3 hours? Why? I just want to sit on the plane.
Because you need time to find your check-in counter, wait in a long queue, line of people, go through security. If you arrive late, you might miss your flight.
Oh no, 3 hours. Okay, let's hurry. Zizi, there are so many desks. A1, B2, C3. Where do I go?
Look at the big departure board, Zizi. Find your flight number. For example, VJ123. It will tell you the check-in counter letter.
Oh, I see it. VJ123, counter G. Let's run.
No running. Just walk. Now, look at the line. That is the queue. You must wait your turn. To the audience. Okay, friends, I will play the role of the staff now. Let's see how Zizi handles this.
Finally, it's my turn.
Good morning. Passport and ticket, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please put your suitcase on the scale. Sir, your bag is 28 kilograms. The limit for this ticket is only 20 kilograms. You are 8 kilograms overweight.
Oh, can I open my bag and take out my books?
Wait, Zizi. Look behind you. There are 50 people waiting in the queue. If you open your bag now, everyone will be angry. It is very inconvenient.
You're right. It's embarrassing. What can I do?
You can pay for excess baggage. It is $15 per extra kilogram.
$15 times 8 kilograms. Ouch, that's expensive. But I have no choice. I'll pay.
And your small backpack, is that your carry-on?
Yes, it's very light.
Let me check. Sir, this bag is 10 kilograms. The limit for carry-on baggage is usually 7 kilograms.
What? Even the small bag has a limit?
Yes, Zizi. Most airlines allow only 7 kilograms for your carry-on bag. It must fit in the overhead bin above your seat. If it's too heavy, it's not safe.
Okay. I will put my heavy laptop in my jacket pocket.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is G12. Boarding starts at 9:20. Have a nice flight. To the audience, let's learn 3 very practical phrases from this mess. First, check-in counter. That is the place you give your bags. Second, queue, the line of people waiting. Say it with me, queue. And third, excess baggage, the extra weight you must pay for.
I have a question, Grace. Why is it called a boarding pass and not a plane ticket?
Think of it like this, Zizi. A ticket is your receipt, but a boarding pass is your key to enter the plane. It has your seat number and your gate number. To the audience, now a question for you. If your flight is at 5 p.m., what time should you arrive at the airport for an international flight? A, 4:30 p.m., B, 2 p.m., or C, 5 p.m.? Leave your answer in the comments. Okay, Zizi, you have your boarding pass. Now we must face the boss-level security check.
I hope they don't take my shoes. Grace, why is everyone so serious here? The officers look like they are in a movie.
Don't be nervous, Zizi. This is security. They just want to make sure everyone is safe. Just follow the instructions. I will be the security officer now. Watch out, Zizi. Next, please take off your shoes, jackets, and belts. Put them in the tray.
My shoes too? But I have colorful socks. This is so embarrassing.
Everyone has to do it, Zizi. Also, look at the sign. Take your laptop and electronics out of your bag.
Oh, my laptop, my iPad, my phone. Okay, they are all in the tray.
Are you carrying any liquids? Water, perfume, shampoo?
Yes, I have a big bottle of orange juice for the flight. It is 500 milliliters.
I'm sorry, sir. No liquids over 100 milliliters. You must throw it away or drink it now.
Drink it now, but it is a big bottle. Okay, finished. Burp. Excuse me.
Listen carefully, friends. The 100 milliliter rule is very important. You can only carry small bottles in your carry-on. If you have a big bottle of perfume, put it in your check-in baggage before.
Lesson learned. No juice. Okay, I'm ready to walk through the gate.
Stop. Please step back. Do you have anything in your pockets?
No, nothing. I am empty.
Zizi, check your pockets again. Any coins, a watch, a key?
Oh, a small key to my house. And a gold coin.
That is it. The metal detector is very sensitive. Even a small coin makes a loud beep. Put everything in the tray and walk again. You are clear now. Pick up your items at the end of the belt.
Whew, that was like a workout. My shoes, my belt, my laptop. I need to put everything back on.
Let's look at some airport English that might be confusing. First, tray, the plastic box where you put your things. Zizi, say it, tray.
Tray.
Second, liquids, anything like water, gel, or cream. Remember, limit 100 milliliters. And third, metal detector, the machine you walk through. It says beep if you have metal.
Grace, I have a question. What if I have a bottle of medicine? It's more than 100 milliliters. Can I take it?
Good question. For medicine or baby milk, you can usually take more, but you must tell the officer first. Say, I have medical supplies.
Ah, okay. And one more thing. Why do they check my boarding pass again at security?
They need to check your name and your face. Always keep your passport and boarding pass in your hand, not in your bag.
Got it. Hand, not bag. Now, can we go eat? I am hungry after all that beeping.
Not yet. We have to find your gate. The airport is a maze, Zizi. Let's find gate G12. Before we go to the gate, let's practice 3 sentences you heard at security. Listen and repeat after me. Please take off your shoes.
Please take off your shoes.
Take your laptop out of the bag.
Take my laptop out of the bag.
I don't have any liquids.
I don't have any liquids.
Perfect. You are getting better every minute. Small steps, big results.
I feel like a secret agent now. Agent Zizi reporting for duty. Finally I can relax. I found gate G12. My flight is at 10 o'clock, so I will just sit here and play games until 10 o'clock.
Wait, Zizi, check your boarding pass again. Look for the boarding time.
Boarding time. It says 9:20. Why is it different from the flight time?
This is very important. Flight time is when the plane moves, but boarding time is when you actually walk onto the plane. Usually they close the gate 15 to 20 minutes before the flight time.
What? If I wait until 10 o'clock, the plane is gone?
Exactly. If you are late for boarding, you miss your flight. Always watch the screen at the gate. Sometimes the gate changes from G12 to G15 at the last minute.
Oh, you're right. The screen is flashing. What does final call mean, Grace? It sounds scary.
Final call means the plane is almost ready to go. It's the last chance for you to get on. Look, the staff is making an announcement. Listen, Zizi. Attention passengers on flight VJ123 to New York. We are now boarding. Please have your boarding pass and passport ready in your hand.
That's me. But Grace, look at the line. There are groups. Group A, Group B, Group C. Which one am I?
Check your boarding pass again. It will say zone or group. You should wait for your group to be called. It helps the plane load faster.
Oh, I see it. Group B. I have to wait a little more.
While you wait, let's practice a key phrase. If you are not sure, ask the staff, is this the flight to New York?
Is this the flight to New York?
Yes, sir. Group B, please step forward.
Here I go. I'm walking through the jet bridge. It's like a tunnel to the sky. Grace, my bag is too heavy to lift. Why is the shelf so high?
That is called the overhead bin, Zizi. Don't worry, you can ask for help. Just say, excuse me, could you help me with my bag?
Hey, you! Help me!
No, Zizi, no. That is not polite. Use a soft voice. Try it again. Excuse me. Friends, I will play the passenger now. Let's see if Zizi can be polite.
Excuse me, could you help me with my bag, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Whispering. Grace, it worked. Now, where is my seat? My boarding pass says 14A.
14 is the row number and A is the seat. A is usually the window seat. You can look at the clouds.
I love clouds. But wait, there is someone in my seat. A lady is sitting there.
Don't be shy. You must speak up. Tell her, excuse me, I think this is my seat. To the audience, I will be the woman in the seat now.
Excuse me, I think this is my seat.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I was 14B. Let me move.
I did it. I'm a professional traveler now. Brr. Grace, why is it so cold on the plane? I'm like an ice cube.
The air conditioning is very strong. Look for the flight attendant. You can ask for a blanket. To the audience, I will play the flight attendant now. Listen to Zizi.
Is it this button with the person icon?
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Could I get an extra blanket? I'm a bit cold.
Certainly, sir. I will bring it in a moment. Would you like anything to drink?
Juice?
Wait, Zizi. Remember the options. Usually they have water, coffee, tea, or soda.
A glass of water, please. No ice.
Good job, Zizi. Using could I and please makes your English sound much better, even if your grammar is not perfect. Being polite is the key. Sir, please fasten your seatbelt and put your tray table up. We are preparing for landing.
Fasten? Like a fast car?
No, Zizi. Fasten means to lock or to close. Put the metal end into the buckle. Fasten your seatbelt means be safe.
Click. Done. And the table?
Close the small table in front of you. We are going down soon. Let's review 3 flying words. First, overhead bin, the closet above your head for bags. Second, flight attendant, the person who helps you on the plane. And third, fasten your seatbelt, close your safety belt. Say it with me. Fasten.
I have a question. What if I need to go to the toilet, but the seatbelt sign is on?
Stay in your seat, Zizi. If the light is red or the sign is on, it is not safe to walk. Wait for the light to turn off. Safety first.
Okay, I will wait. I can see the ground now. We are landing.
You survived the flight, Zizi. But wait, the hardest part is next. Immigration. The officers there don't smile much.
No smiles? Can I give them a cookie?
No cookies, just your passport. Let's get ready for the final stage. We have landed, Zizi. Welcome to your destination. Now follow the signs to immigration or passport control.
Here we go, the no smile zone.
Don't worry, Zizi. I will be the immigration officer now. Just answer my questions simply. Next, passport, please.
Here it is.
What is the purpose of your visit? Purpose means why. Why are you here?
I am here to study English.
How long will you stay?
For 2 years.
How will you stay?
At the university dormitory.
Welcome. Next.
I did it! She stamped my passport. I'm in! Now where is my fat suitcase?
Follow the signs to baggage claim. Look for the carousel number for your flight.
Carousel? Like the horses that go round and round at the park?
Similar, but it is a moving belt with bags. Look, Zizi.
There's a black one, a red one. Oh, there it is, the one with the yellow ribbon. That is mine.
Great job, Zizi. You finished the journey. Check-in, security, boarding, the flight, and immigration. How do you feel?
I am tired, but I am proud. English is not so scary when you know the key words.
Exactly. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be brave. To our listeners, you did amazing today. You followed Zizi through a very long day.
I need a nap. But first, the slogan.
Small steps, big results. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and comment. Question of the day. Have you ever arrived at the airport late? What happened? Tell us your story in English below.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.